This is a 1-hectare peanut field in Brits Northwest Province, grown on dry land with no irrigation, only rain and Rafa-Gro. Rafa-Gro is a 100% organic vermicast extract made by Vermiculture Africa. It was applied twice monthly as a foliar spray, 25 liters per hectare, diluted 1 to 20. Brits received over 1,000 millimeters of rain this season. Some plants show signs of overwatering, yellow leaves. No synthetic fertilizers were used, only Rafa-Gro. The results speak for themselves. Strong roots, vibrant growth, and natural stress resistance. Rafa-Gro Organic Power. Real results. Tested in South African conditions. Trusted by farmers. Visit vermicultureafrica.com to learn more.